Hi guys, today this video is gonna be a bit different. I'm in my workshop and actually, I've designed a knife that I need to make a sheath for, and I've had some troubles with the sheath. Not troubles exactly, but I need to speed up the process and making taco sheath. I want to build myself a taco press, and for this I have pretty much everything I need. It's gonna be a cheap one to make. Well, I'm not gonna talk much about the sizes and everything. I'm gonna show you the main steps. Basically, the base will be 30 centimeters by 30. We will have two liners that will block the main press part that will be interchangeable, so that I can mold and press two sheaths in a short amount of time, and maybe more in the future. So the two flaps of the press will be 30 centimeters by 20. I will have spacers to allow the foam to be pretty much straight, and I'm using plywood that is 2.5 centimeter wide thick. This means I'm gonna use two spacers that will be 30 centimeters by 10. Two smaller on the side which will hold the hinges, which will be 30 centimeters by 5 centimeters high, and they will make kind of T. The two of 10 centimeters, the two smaller one, and they will wedge inside the spacers on the base plate. So I will show you the main steps, and at the end I make a test press with my original knife. So let's see how I do this. And as I've said, I'm gonna only show you the main steps doing this, so the measures, the cuts, and everything, and we'll see how it performs at the end. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, so these four are the spacers for two interchangeable presses that will go in the middle. Four of these will be on the side to sandwich it and to hold the hinges of the press, and four will be two on each side of the base of the T that holds the press. You will understand everything when you see it. This is the base plate, and these are the flaps for two presses. So here I have not cut the last bit for now. I will keep a bit more base than expected. It should have been 30 by 30, but I will not do this way now, so that you can understand better. I have all my parts here. So basically I will add two pieces like so. Then this will be the base moving part that I will be able to move around. It's the base of the flaps of the press actually, so that I can press one and move it. So this is the T I was talking about. And now the flaps of the press will be hinged like so, that I can add a lot of foam. I will see what kind of foam I use. Maybe I will have to hinge them a little closer. This is some stuff I'm gonna test and see how it works, and I will experiment. This is an experimental press. I have the base idea of how I want to make it. Now I have to try to do it. So first thing I'm gonna do is basically prepare the base tees, glue them together, press them, and wait, and probably screw them. I have hinges only for one set of flap, so we'll see how it performs with one already and make measures with the pressing foam I have. Okay guys, so well, I'm testing the first Kydex sheath with this press. As you can see here, I've added layers of foam. This is basically floor mat, and this is some high quality foam for Kydex sheath. Now I may add a little more black foam just to add more detail. It depends on how it will look like when the whole thing is pressed, but right now, as you can see, here, if I want to go on to the next sheath, I basically just remove that part, put it away, and come back with the other press flap stuff and just put it back inside, press the other sheath and do such a rotation. So this is basically a great advantage for me to improve my speed of pressing Kydex. Now I just have to see how this performs, and if it performs well, I will purchase more of this high quality foam and, well, do another of this outer design. So yeah, we'll see how it performs in a few minutes, so stay tuned. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, so let's see how this went. Well, not sure if you can see, great definition actually. I reformed this one from a previous sheath I've made, and actually I must say I'm pretty happy with how it went out. So still a bit hot, I should have left it a bit more, but yeah, I can say this press works very well. So I'm gonna leave this one a bit more to form, and yeah, I'm gonna make another of these just so that I have two press main compartments that I can use to form my sheath and pretty much everything else I need to form in this one. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and well, sorry I'm fighting with the sun here. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye.